There's only one way to find out which one is better. Samsung. Probably. Let's stick to the wide angle for the Samsung. We are on the 4K 30. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Side by side. It is windy. I don't know, storm is coming or something. So I will add some noise cancellation in post-production, so the audio won't be that fantastic, but it is what it is. Alright, let me stick to the main lens for the Samsung too, because Realme doesn't have wide angle in 4K. Alright, is this good for you? Autofocus test. Oh, it's a bit faster in Redmi. Redmi or Realme? What? Oh, that's Realme, not Redmi. All right, vlogging style. If you want to vlog from the smartphone, this is how it's going to look like. Vlogging. That's okay. And let's capture. Okay, I guess. How close can I get with macro? Oh, it's windy. Pretty close. Similar. It's very similar. All right. Now it's time for telephoto. Maybe let's do it in there. Oh yeah, telephoto. To the balconies. Alright, we can go 10x. And for the Sony 12x. So if we go 10x for the Sony 2. Which one looks better? Hard to say. If we find something different, like my scooter. Well, they look similar. Yeah, very similar. Front facing camera. With Samsung you can go all the way to 4K 60. Only 30 is available for Realme. It's Realme, not Redmi. Realme. Always forget those names. Look at the sky. How overexposed it is on the Realme. If I go up other way around, you see the difference? Look at the clouds on Samsung. Well, if I go out of the frame, it will be mostly the same. Bam. All right, full length of my arm. Like I said, it is windy. Video stabilization, autofocus. Well, I can show you a leaf. For the Samsung will be available, and it's very sharp, and it's blurry. Sharp. All right. Maybe on something else, like a Vivo. Sharp, blurry. Do you see the logo? Zeiss? Zeiss. No Zeiss? A lot of Zeiss. And that's the difference. Alright, that's the video. Now what about pictures?